So most people think that after learning data engineering, there is only one role that they can target, that is obviously data engineer. But that's not actually true in the market. The skills you build in data engineering open up multiple careers paths as well apart from data engineering, that is data, cloud, infrastructure and AI systems as well. And that's especially true when you are learning technologies like Spark, Kafka, orchestration tools like Airflow, Databricks, cloud platform, system design, and particularly Gen AI concept together, right? So, hi everyone, I am Manan Narula, senior data engineer working at Microsoft Data and AI team, and I've been also mentoring learners at Bosscoder for the last 1 year. And one question I get quite often is what roles I can really target after completing the Bosscoder Data Engineering Program. So in this video, let's break down 6 major career paths that naturally aligns with the skills that is taught in this Bosscoder Data Engineering Program. So let's start with the most obvious one, data engineer. So this is the primary role the program is designed around. So as a data engineer, you will build and maintain data pipelines, you will work with data warehouse, you will process large-scale data sets, you will build data models and ensure data is available for analytics, reporting, and machine learning systems. So the combination of SQL, Python, Spark, Kafka, Airflow, and you can say data modeling and cloud technologies taught in this program. So all these directly maps to the job description and responsibility of a modern data engineers, what companies are looking for in today's world. And today data engineers continue to be in demand across all the product-based companies and startups, MNCs, global capability centers, all the banks and all, right? So that is the first role. Another role is analytics engineer. So this is one of the fastest growing role in the modern data ecosystem. At analytics engineer, it sits between data engineering and data analytics. So the focus here is transforming the raw data into the clean, reliable, business-ready data set that analysts and stakeholders can use confidently. You can say clean version of data. So in that, we need strong SQL skills, data warehousing concepts, we need data modeling, and tools like DBT are particularly valuable for this role. If you are enjoying working with data while staying closer to business impacts as well, analytics engineer is one-shot answer for your role. It can be very strong career option for you. Third role, which is most common, is cloud data engineer. Most organizations run their data platforms on the cloud. Be it cloud data engineer has become a specialization in itself in this role. You will build, manage cloud native data pipelines. You can say data lakes, data warehousing using platforms like Azure, AWS, data lakes, GCP, whatever you feel like. You'll also work with technologies like Snowflake, Databricks, BigQuery, cloud native data services. Like this Bosscoder curriculum covers all the major cloud platforms. Learner builds a strong foundation for their career path. Next role is MLOps engineer. As companies deploy more machine learnings and AI systems, there's growing demand for engineers who can operationalize those systems reliably. That's where MLOps engineers come into picture. Their role is basically managing data pipelines and deployment workflows, and they do monitoring systems as well, cloud infrastructure, automating around machine learning and all those applications. So this role is a combination of, you can say, data engineering and cloud technologies, and also a bit of DevOps as well, and a concept of Gen AI fundamentals as well, which is taught in the program. The program provides a strong foundation for learners who want to move towards MLOps as well. So the next role is data platform engineer. This role, you can say many people aren't familiar with and not so common these days, but it's becoming increasingly important in today's scenario. A data platform engineers focus on building the infrastructure that enables the data engineer to work. That is more on the DevOps and infrastructure part as well, because a good infrastructure is required for data scientists or data analysts to work. This includes managing platforms built across technologies like Kafka, Spark, Databricks, Kubernetes, and cloud infrastructure as well. So if you enjoy infrastructure, if you enjoy scalability, reliability, platform design, this can be a very exciting career path for you. And many of the technologies taught throughout the program are directly relevant to this particular role. And next role which we have is data architect. So data architect is not a typical entry-level role. it is a role mainly for experienced guy after like more than 5-6 years in the industry. So data engineers eventually grow into data architect like after some experience. A data architect is responsible for designing and organizing overall data ecosystem, you can say. They define how data is collected, stored, transformed, governed, and consumed across the business. They make high-level technology decisions and ensure the systems are scalable and future-ready. The strong focus on data modeling part, which we taught in the curriculum, is particularly designed for this kind of role. We teach particular data warehousing systems, designs, architecture concepts within the program that help learners build foundation on becoming extremely valuable as they progress towards senior roles as well. That is data architect as I was talking about. So the important thing to understand is that data engineering is not a single career path. It is a foundation level, you can say. And depending on your interest, you can move towards various other roles as well, which is analytics, cloud infrastructure, machine learning, architect level roles as well in future. What matters most is building strong fundamentals across data, and you can say gaining hands-on experience through industry projects and real-world systems which we build. And that's exactly what Bosscoder Data Engineering Program is designed to help you do. Okay, thank you for watching this video.